Hello there, guys. My name is Lillian, but you can go ahead and call me Lily. I am very excited to begin this new semester with all of you. I am currently in the Harlingen TSCC area, but I am from Brazil, which I find kind of funny because my job is actually 5 minutes away from my school. So, I do drive long distances just to get to both places. Um, Currently, I am doing one of the things that I'm really passionate about, which is helping other people to succeed in life by being a direct care worker. It is definitely a very, very rewarding job, even though, well, as you can see, I do get sick a lot and it is stressful. But even through that, I find myself basically drawing and wanting to write songs all the time. So I know by a fact that, music and art are definitely my passion. That is why I'm definitely going into the digital media design career just so that I can fulfill that little part of me that is screaming art. I think that we all should follow through what we want. And of course, I am definitely looking forward to working with some of you beautiful artists. I have seen you guys last semester. I've seen the way that you guys have grown, and I have been really amazed. So I definitely do want to go ahead and continue to see you through this semester and see what you guys have and what you're capable of. So if you have any questions or anything, just go ahead and let me know. And of course, I'll go ahead and reach out to you if I have any other questions. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.